the frames that come at the ingress interface while the switch is checking for the FCS, for example, or CS, for example, in this method, store and forward switching. Okay, then we are done. Model practice and quiz. So, what we have learned today from this small lecture about frame forwarding, we have learned ingress is the entry port to the switch, egress is the exit port from the switch or in the switch. So basically the switch builds a MAC address table like routing table in routers to forward the frames on the LAN. So we are talking about LANs because of the switch. And also the switch can use either the store and forward method or cut through method of switch forwarding. So in this case, we use at least 64 bytes to determine we don't receive the entire, we start after receiving the entire frame and we determine the destination MAC address. Whenever we have it, the switch will immediately forward the frame. Here, we will wait all the frame to be received, then we check for errors, then we will determine the destination MAC address, and we will also check the port number of the egress interface. Switching domain, as you see, Ethernet ports that function in half duplex will increase or will be a part of collision domain. So collisions may happen when we use half duplex settings. However, when using full duplex setting switches, this will eliminate the collisions. And this is very important. A switch will float out all interfaces except the ingress port if the frame is broadcast. So if we want to broadcast, we will flood the message to all interfaces except the one that you received from this frame. Or we do the same, we flood out all interfaces if we don't know the unicast destination MAC address. So if the switch doesn't know the destination MAC address, it will flood out this frame through all the interfaces except the ingress port. Okay. How we can break the broadcast domain? By using router device, layer 3 devices like router. Okay. Switches extend the broadcast domains by connecting several LANs, but if we do that, we can eliminate collision domains, but can eliminate collision domains and relieve congestion. Okay, thank you for your attention.